Hey colleagues, it's Mr. Manluco here with a really important update about your Zoom links in Google Classroom. So again, this is pertaining only to those of you who are using Google Classroom as a way to share your links. The big challenge we're having right now is that parents are continually calling, asking for the correct Zoom link because whatever they're clicking is incorrect. It's not to say that you don't have a correct link on your site, but what we're asking now is that you do not post your links directly to this feed. As you can see, the feed gets really clogged up after multiple assignments and etc. etc. So what we're asking you to do is just like Miss Mooring has here, make your Zoom links pinned to the top so that whenever your kids go into your website or Google Classroom, they go straight to your Zoom link that is again moved all the way to the top as a classwork assignment. So when they open it again, they should be able to see any link that you need to have them use. Just be very clear about the instructions, which one's your daily, which one's for back to school night, which one might be for prep providers, and other scheduled assignments you might have, like collaborating with the teacher in co-teaching settings. So again, one more time, just so you remember, please, again, do not post your Zoom links straight into your stream by sharing something with your class, and do create an assignment that you pin to the top as Miss Mooring has here. Again, move up, move up. Keep that Zoom link assignment at the very top. That way families know where to go. Thank you very much, and hopefully this can be resolved. If you guys have any questions or need support to do this, do not hesitate to reach out. We are here to support you. Thank you.